Welcome to the Learner, upgrade your knowledge. Stay curious, stay inspired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learner. Your support helps us create more quality educational content for you and your family. Which animal has the longest neck among all land animals? A. Giraffe. B. Camel. C. Horse. Correct answer is giraffe. Which animal is known for its loud laughing sound? A. Hyena. B. Monkey. C. Wolf. Correct answer is hyena. Which animal uses its long snout to dig for insects? A. Anteater. B. Buffalo. C. Goat. Correct answer is anteater. Which animal lives in snowy areas and has thick white fur? A. Arctic fox. B. Leopard. C. Camel. Correct answer is Arctic fox. Which animal is famous for carrying heavy loads? A. Donkey. B. Goat. C. Deer. Correct answer is donkey. Which animal has a powerful roar that can travel long distances? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Panther. Correct answer is lion. Which animal is active at night and sleeps during the day? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Camel. Correct answer is tiger. Which animal is the strongest tree climber? A. Leopard. B. Cheetah. C. Dog. Correct answer is leopard. Which animal has big antlers that grow every year? A. Deer. B. Goat. C. Zebra. Correct answer is deer. Which animal uses its big ears to keep its body cool? A. Rabbit. B. Elephant. C. Giraffe. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal is known as a clever and sneaky hunter? A. Fox. B. Camel. C. Buffalo. Correct answer is fox. Which animal is large, black and white, and eats mainly bamboo? A. Panda. B. Skunk. C. Cow. Correct answer is panda. Which animal has a strong tail and jumps very high? A. Kangaroo. B. Sheep. C. Donkey. Correct answer is kangaroo. Which land animal is known for its excellent climbing and balancing skills? A. Goat. B. Lion. C. Bear. Correct answer is goat. Which animal uses its paws to wash food before eating? A. Raccoon. B. Zebra. C. Wolf. Correct answer is raccoon. Which animal has tusks and loves mud baths? A. Hippo. B. Elephant. C. Rhino. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal travels in groups called troops? A. Gorilla. B. Cheetah. C. Fox. Correct answer is gorilla. Which animal has a thick horn on its nose for protection? A. Rhino. B. Yak. C. Donkey. Correct answer is rhino. Which animal is famous for its super strong grip while climbing trees? A. Monkey. B. Tiger. C. Cow. Correct answer is monkey. Which animal has extremely strong jaw muscles and can crush bones? A. Bear. B. Hyena. C. Horse. Correct answer is hyena.